Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by assessing each bubble and marking its edge. This tells you whether to inject or stitch. Clean around the bubble with a leather-safe cleaner so adhesives bond properly. Once done, gently heat the area to soften the leather. Don't overheat. Keep the gun 15–20 cm away. Make a small puncture just large enough for a syringe or needle. You're creating control access to the bonded layer beneath, which lets you reattach the foam and remove trapped air for a lasting fix. You'll now inject adhesive under the softened leather, moving slowly so the glue spreads. This rebonds leather to backing and fills voids. Make sure to press the area flat immediately. Use a flexible spatula and push air toward the puncture, smoothing outward to the seam. Once aligned, place a backing pad beneath the skin, if possible, and clamp gently to maintain contact. Allow recommended cure time for the adhesive. This prevents rebubbling and ensures the leather regains support and original contour. Finish by removing glue residue and feathering the repair edges with fine sanding so dye looks natural. Then apply a color-matched dye and a protective finish to blend the patch. Make sure to condition the leather after the finish cures to restore oils and flexibility. If a bubble returns, there's likely poor bonding or damaged backing. Reopen the area, inspect the foam or board under the skin, and repeat injection or use an internal stitch. For persistent lifts, consider professional upholstery replacement to avoid recurring failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.